injecting, what you can do is hold underneath the lower cheekbone and almost give a little bit of a lift back. You don't need to be kind of or lifting, but just sort of support underneath and lift, and actually that can give a little bit more of a lift and elevation to the cheekbone anyway. But also it acts as, you know, we were talking earlier about being stable. Everything I do is with that left side, so I sort of hold my leg and my body to support. So the only thing I'm going to be doing with my right hand is aspirating and doing administering the product into the area that I'm treating. Everything else I've kind of got my comfortable position to do so that I can see what's going on. I'm not going to move it, I'm going to stabilise it, and actually I can, you know, monitor everything. Okay? So relax that a little bit.
Yeah, and then just underneath.
Can you feel bad?
Yeah.
Right, so now this is the complicated bit. So now with your left hand, you want to be holding the, so all your weight is on that left hand, but you're now going to aspirate and pull back with that right hand. Beautiful. Comfortable, Paola? Pull back, and you want to see the little air bubble. There it is. And just hold, checking for the hub of the needle, waiting a few moments.
10.
And then go down to 0.9. So you don't need to keep pulling back. As long as you've got that air bubble, you can leave it alone.
Okay. Then go for it. And I'm going. So what was it?
You're at 0.6. So get your starting position. And then just do a tad more now. And now you come. Changed. Come out and have a little look. If you feel like she needs more, we're going to do a little bit more. Normally you'd go straight for your sort of 0.8 to 0.2. Come out. Yes, she looks a bit pink because obviously you've been injected.
I'm just going to come underneath your eye just because you've got some. How is the pain? Yeah, is it okay? Yeah. Really no pain, it's just pressure. Yeah. Pressure in your cheeks.
Sometimes they can feel almost like, do you ever get it powder in the night where you wake up and you think, oh actually I feel like someone's just sort of socked me a little one there, it just feels tender.
Yeah, you might bruise as well. It actually doesn't look too much.
How do you feel?
So nice. Just so volume.
I love it.
Yeah, I love it.